Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're working on multiple websites in Wix, you probably know how time-consuming it can be to recreate the same page over and over. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to copy a page from one Wix site to another, saving you tons of time and effort. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to duplicate your favorite layouts, create consistent branding, or just work a lot more efficiently across your projects. So let's jump right in and make your website building process even smoother. First up, you'll want to head over to your Wix editor, the site where you've already designed the page you want to copy. You can do this by logging into your Wix account and opening the web design for the site that has the page you're looking to duplicate. This brings you right into the workspace where all your content is organized, kind of like being backstage before the big website performance. Once you're in the Wix editor, look for the section called Pages and Menu. You'll usually find this on the left-hand side of your screen. Think of it like a table of contents for your entire website. It's where every page lives. Clicking into Pages and Menu gives you a clear list of each page you've created, making it easy to find exactly the one you want to work with. Now, take a moment to choose the specific page you want to copy over to your other site. Maybe it's your About page you're really proud of, or perhaps a well-designed services page that you don't want to have to rebuild from scratch. Once you've found the page in your list, hover your mouse over it, and you'll see a set of 3 little dots appear next to the page name. These 3 dots are essentially your options menu, a handy way to unlock more actions for each page. Go ahead and give those 3 dots a click. A menu pops up, and among the options, you'll see Copy. Click this. What you're doing here is putting all that page's content, the layout, the text, the images, even the design settings, onto your clipboard. It's ready for transport. Next, open the Wix editor for your other site, the one where you want to add the copied page. Don't worry if you need a moment to switch between tabs or load your other project. Wix makes it pretty seamless. Once you're in the new site's editor just like before, head straight to Pages and Menu. Remember, you're essentially setting up a new table of contents that's ready to receive your copied page. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the Site menu area, right-click your mouse. You should see a Paste option pop up. Click on Paste, and just like that, the page from your other site appears within this new site's menu. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+V on Mac right in the Site menu if that feels quicker to you. If you don't see the changes appear right away, give it a few seconds. Sometimes Wix takes just a moment to process the new content. And that's it. You've successfully copied a whole page from one Wix site to another. This method is fantastic for anyone managing multiple brands, or if you just want to keep your style consistent across different sites. If a page doesn't quite look right at first, don't worry. You can always go in and make any final adjustments. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if any step was unclear or you have more questions about working in Wix, just drop a comment below. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more website building tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck creating amazing sites on Wix.